So the interface on the TreasureMaster is quite simple. When we turn it on, it automatically comes up in the coin and jewelry mode. I've got my battery up here, I've got sensitivity, my depth reading, my target ID is going to come up in the center of the display. The options are quite easy. A couple of them are just available immediately from the search screen. The plus and minus adjust your sensitivity or gain. So now if I'm searching along, I come up on some power lines, I start hearing some chatter in my detector, I can just press down and reduce my sensitivity while I'm hunting, or turn it up, get a little deeper. The threshold is also adjustable from the search screen. It's on the arrow up and down button, and you can go to silent search, which is 0, or you can bring a threshold up. The advantage of the threshold is that you can hear your rejected targets going quiet or peculiarities in the ground going quiet, telling you need to slow down, maybe concentrate a little closer on that spot. There might be targets near, good targets near junk targets that you want to sort out. Silent search though, a lot of people like it completely quiet until there's something of interest. So that's what silent search is for. So when I press options, I've got options. I use the arrow up and down button to look at my options. And then I use my plus and minus to adjust that option. There's the volume, which is how loud the target's going to beep. Let me go up to the next options, the depth, and the plus or minus can select centimeters or inches. If I go up again, I've got programs. I've got the coin and jewelry program. If I press the plus button, I've got the beach program. Of course, that'd be like a saltwater beach. Or I've got all metal, and that would pick up all types of metals. If I was going to clear my driveway of nails, I'd go to the all metal mode. Now the disc is adjustable as you go up and down the scale. Your pinpoint button turns on or off those particular slots, and there's 20 slots. That's rejecting the foil range, that's accepting the foil range. And then I go up and down and adjust each of my ranges for accept or reject, however I want it set up. It has automatic memory in it, so any change I make is going to hold through battery changes for weeks and weeks until I manually change it back, or there is a reset sequence. I can reset everything to factory settings. Go up to the next option, that's the tone ID feature. One tone, of course, all targets would give you the same pitch beep. Two-tone, your iron targets give you the lower pitch beep, your non-iron targets give you the higher pitch beep. Now you're not going to hear the iron unless you accept that with your discrimination. So if a target's rejected, it tries to go quiet. If it's accepted and you're in two-tone mode, iron will give you the lower pitch sound. We have a four-tone mode that gives you the iron is the lowest, the silver and copper is the highest pitch, and the two other tones are split up in the middle. And that's it. Now it'll time out of the options mode, or I can just press options, but it is in a full search mode regardless of whether you're in the options or not. It'll still detect metals and it's still running like it would run any other time. We also have the pinpoint mode. When you hold the pinpoint button down, you're in a pinpoint mode. And that's really all there is to the features of this TreasureMaster.